Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Honda CBR600RR complete features. The Honda CBR600RR isn't just a motorcycle, it's a feeling. It's the rush you get when the engine roars to life, the anticipation as you twist the throttle, and the adrenaline that kicks in as the world blurs past you. It's the connection between rider and machine, an unspoken bond where every movement, every shift, and every lean feels like second nature. This isn't just about speed, though the CBR600RR has plenty of it. It's about control, precision, and the perfect harmony between man and machine. When you sit on the CBR600RR, you're not just sitting on a bike, you're stepping into a legacy. A legacy built on the racetrack, refined through years of innovation, and perfected for the streets. Honda didn't just design a motorcycle, they crafted an experience. From the moment you grip the handlebars, you feel it, the meticulous attention to detail, the perfect weight distribution, the aggressive yet comfortable riding position. The bike fits you like a glove, designed to respond to your every command with effortless precision. The 599cc inline-4 engine isn't just an engine, it's the heart of the beast. It growls with authority, delivering power smoothly across the rev range. Whether you're cruising through city streets or pushing the limits on an open road, the CBR600RR responds with a ferocity that's both thrilling and controlled. The throttle isn't just a mechanism, it's a direct line to the bike's soul. Twist it, and you'll feel the surge of acceleration, the rush of wind against your body, and the satisfying growl of the exhaust as the bike propels you forward. But speed is nothing without control, and that's where the CBR600RR truly shines. The chassis is a masterpiece of engineering, lightweight yet incredibly strong. The bike feels planted, stable, and responsive, whether you're leaning hard into a corner or navigating tight city traffic. The suspension, with its show-a-big piston fork and Unit Pro Link rear, absorbs every bump, giving you confidence to push harder, lean deeper, and ride faster. The brakes are sharp, responsive, and reliable, with advanced ABS technology that ensures you're always in control, even when conditions aren't perfect. It's a bike that doesn't just handle well, it feels like an extension of your body. And then there's the design, aggressive, aerodynamic, and unmistakably Honda. Every line, every curve, every detail is crafted with purpose. The fairings aren't just for show, they channel air to cool the engine, reduce drag, and enhance stability at high speeds. The twin LED headlights cut through the darkness, giving the bike a fierce, predatory look, while the sleek tail section adds to its aerodynamic profile. It's a bike that looks fast even when it's standing still. Riding the CBR600RR isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the journey, the thrill of acceleration, the satisfaction of nailing the perfect corner, the freedom of the open road. It's about those early morning rides when the world is still asleep, and it's just you, the bike, and the sound of the engine echoing through empty streets. It's about late-night adventures, spontaneous road trips, and the camaraderie of meeting fellow riders who share the same passion. The CBR600RR isn't just for professionals or racers, it's for anyone who loves to ride. It's approachable, yet powerful. It's forgiving enough for newer riders to grow with, yet capable enough to satisfy even the most experienced enthusiasts. The power delivery is smooth and manageable, but when you're ready to push it, the bike responds with the kind of performance that'll leave you grinning from ear to ear. And it's not just about performance. The CBR600RR is surprisingly practical. The fuel efficiency is impressive for a sport bike, making it a great option for daily commutes. The seating position strikes a balance between sporty and comfortable, allowing you to ride longer without fatigue. The build quality is what you'd expect from Honda, solid, reliable, and designed to last. Maintenance is straightforward, with easy access to key components and a reputation for durability that means you'll spend more time riding and less time in the garage. But beyond the specs, beyond the numbers and features, the CBR600RR is about passion. It's about the love of riding, the thrill of speed, and the joy of feeling connected to something greater than yourself. It's about those moments when everything fades away, the noise, the stress, the distractions, and all that's left is you, the road, and the bike. The sound of the engine becomes your heartbeat. The rush of wind becomes your soundtrack. The feeling of the tires gripping the asphalt, the smoothness of each gear change, the precision of every turn, it's all part of the experience. It's addictive, it's freeing, it's why we ride. Every time you start the CBR600RR, you're not just starting an engine, you're igniting a spark. A spark that turns an ordinary day into an adventure. A spark that reminds you why motorcycles aren't just a mode of transportation, they're a way of life. Whether you're riding through winding mountain roads, slicing through city traffic, or chasing sunsets on an empty highway, the CBR600RR makes every ride unforgettable. It's not just the bike's performance that leaves a lasting impression, it's the emotions it stirs. The pride you feel when you see it parked, gleaming under the sun. The excitement that builds before every ride. The memories you create, the places you discover, and the people you meet along the way. The CBR600RR is more than just metal, rubber, and fuel, it's a part of your story. And for many riders, it's the bike that starts a lifelong love affair with motorcycles. It's the bike that teaches you how to push your limits, how to master your skills, and how to find freedom on two wheels. It's the bike that stays in your heart long after the ride is over. The CBR600RR has a rich history, a legacy that spans decades of racing success and technological innovation. It's a bike that's been refined, improved, and perfected with each generation, yet it's always stayed true to its core, delivering pure, unfiltered riding joy. It's a symbol of Honda's dedication to performance, quality, and the pursuit of perfection. But more than that, it's a symbol of freedom. The freedom to explore new roads, to chase new horizons, and to live life on your own terms. It's a reminder that sometimes, the best way to clear your mind is to hit the road, feel the wind in your face, and let the bike carry you to places you've never been. The Honda CBR600RR isn't just a bike you ride, it's a bike you experience. It's a bike you feel in your soul, a bike that makes your heart race, and a bike that stays with you long after the engine is off. It's more than just a machine, it's a part of who you are. So, if you've ever wondered what it feels like to truly connect with a motorcycle, to feel every twist of the throttle, every lean into a curve, and every beat of your heart syncing with the rhythm of the road, then the Honda CBR600RR is waiting for you. It's not just a bike, it's a legend. And it's ready to take you on the ride of your life. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.